Good morning from Peninsula Hotel. I just entered the building and I'm speechless. And usually not happen because I see lots of fancy hotels, but wow. Okay, guys, go. I'm going to check in and I will show you everything. Wow, it's pretty amazing.
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
Starting here with a lobby slash reception. They're celebrating Chinese New Year as like 14 days celebration. So as you can see, it's decorated really nicely. Wow. Here you can have a coffee. So we actually have a private check-in. We did not know about that, so we are going to a different check-in area. So we have actually check-in here in Club Lounge. It is on the third floor, and lovely lady will check you in if you are like VIP guest. I'm not really sure what we did. I will find out. And this is the view. Wow, guys, I don't really want to leave this hotel. These are the breakfasts in the third floor. For the VIP guest, we also have access to the buffet breakfast, which are downstairs for all guests. I'm already in the room. As I mentioned, we got it early, which is a big plus because I need sleep and I need a shower. But anyway, let's go and check it. Main door. This is actually really handy because you know what you need to do. Perfect. Wardrobe. Safe. Sleepers down there. Umbrella if you need. Mirror. Lovely. Let's continue to the bathroom. Again, you have all written here. You can use radio if you want. A shower. Branded amenities. Perfect. Here is also bathrobe. 1, 2. Bathtub. They also have a spa. If you want, you can book it. To be honest, I am still lost with these prices, pesos, so I am not really sure if it's expensive or not. Again, branded amenities. It's so nice. It's clean. See, everything is clean, perfect. Glasses, clean, perfect. a toilet. Let's go to the room. We have more storage area here. We already got our luggage. And this is the room. Nothing actually special, but it's enough. Big plus is that we have access to executive lounge, a TV, free water. And here is mini bar. I would like to see the price list. As you can see, it's a little bit dated, but it's fine. Is this? No, it's chocolate. I just want to see it, like, for sake of interest. Another water. Wow! Coffee machine. Okay, so I can't really see the price list, but it's fine. If I found it, I will let you know if it's expensive or not. Phone. And the desk here. Maybe somewhere here. Oh, wow, check this. Oh, I never saw something like that in a hotel. If you want a breakfast in a room. Wow, guys. And here we have information what they do in this month, February. All about love. Nice. And check the view. There is no balcony, but it's fine. A city view. Oh, guys, I'm in love with this city already. Beautiful. Love it. I'm going to check a pool. Oh, it's probably this way. Over here is a main breakfast restaurant. What is this? Oh, it's some lunch. They also serve here lunch and dinner in this restaurant. I'm outside. Oh, it looks really nice. Wow, lovely. Here is a bar. Oh, it's nice. Let's try the water. Oh, it's really good. It's hot. Oh, wow. Here is kids school. It's not big area, but it's really nice and it's quiet. We are having drinks and snacks and executive lounge here in the hotel, and I will show you what you can get here. We are checking out from Peninsula Hotel in Manila. We had actually amazing stay. This hotel is so beautiful. It's definitely 5-star hotel. You have everything what you need and what you should expect from 5-star hotel here. Staff members are so nice, and I actually wasn't sure why we got upgraded to executive lounge. Because we have American Express, it was the reason why they upgrade us to executive lounge, so we had access to all the refreshment plus afternoon tea and evening snacks and drinks plus breakfast. You can have it either here or in the main restaurant. I would actually highly recommend this hotel if you are here in Manila and looking for some luxury stay. Definitely go for it. Location is perfect as well. You can walk either to some malls or night market, take a Grab to old part of Manila, which is approximately 30 minutes, not too bad. And it's also like 20 minutes with taxi from the airport, not too bad as well. Would I stay here again? Yes, definitely, 100% I would stay here again. But that's it for today from my review. If you enjoyed that, please smash the like button. I will really appreciate that. Stay tuned, take care, stay safe, and see you later. Bye bye.